Question 9. A game is played at a children's party that involves throwing a ball into a bucket. Each child tries to get the ball into the bucket in the least number of throws. On each attempt, the probability that Sophia gets the ball into the bucket is 0.8. Each attempt is independent of any previous attempt, so she is no more likely to get the ball in the bucket on the second attempt than she is on the first attempt. The probabilities will be the same. Show that she is 5 times more likely to get the ball into the bucket on her first attempt than to have her first successful throw on her second attempt. You must show all your working. This sentence here I'm going to unscramble a bit. So the probability, I have to show that the probability is 5 times more that she's successful on her first attempt than having success on her second attempt. So if I draw a tree diagram which will show me all the possible outcomes of the event, that will help. So the probability of success on her first attempt, the first set of branches, is 0.8. The probability of no success, indicated by n, is 1 minus 0.8, which is 0.2. The events are exhaustive, so the probabilities add to 1. On her second attempt, if she was successful on her first attempt, the probability of success would still be 0.8 because it's independent of success or failure on the first attempt. And the probability of no success is 0.8. Similarly, even if she weren't successful on her first attempt, the probability of success on a second attempt is still 0.8, and the probability of no success on a second attempt is 0.2. So, back to our question. The probability of success on her first event is, we're given as 0.8. Then reading the question, what's the probability that she'll have her first successful throw on her second attempt? That means she'll have her first success on her second attempt, which means she'll have no success on her first attempt, but success on the second attempt. So the probability is no success on the first attempt and success on the second attempt, which of course is times in probability. So no success is 0.2 times probability of success on a second, which is 0.8. Do that calculation and it comes to 0.16. And we can see that 0.16 is 1/5 of 0.18. So that means that on her first attempt, she is 5 times more likely to get the ball into the bucket.